The impulse to undertake a journey, the calling to mystery and potential, is universal and timeless. Over centuries, pilgrimage has provided healthcare, been a court-ordered sentence, and offered salvation. The largest and longest pilgrimages in the world start and/or end in the global south. In recent decades, tourism to those in the north has skyrocketed to numbers more common in the 12th century than the 21st. Pilgrim paths traverse diverse geographies and belief systems. More than historical artifacts or spiritual corridors, they reveal a remarkable interplay between cultural heritage, economic opportunity, and sustainability. Hello, I am Talisa Makdessi, a documentary photographer, director, academic, and founder of The Pilgrim Project, a social enterprise with pilgrims at heart, those who lace up their boots, or lose them, as I once did, and walk ancient paths, seeking change, adventure, and peace. Most people walk once and are transformed, but they're rarely guided to explore further. Pilgrims pass towns without realizing how fragile they are, and walk alongside centuries of heritage without hearing its stories. The Pilgrim Project aims to bridge that gap. Knowledge, context, and community deepens the experience. When pilgrims understand the potential of their presence on the path, they stop being travelers. They become part of the story. A palimpsest of journeys, the Pilgrim Project revolves around a central online hub. As a hybrid social venture business model, the non-profit arm focuses on mission-driven activities, education, advocacy, and preservation, while the for-profit arm is responsible for scalable, revenue-generating products, digital content, pilgrim services, and partnerships. Collecting data during fieldwork towards my MA and PhD informs the project. It is an economic impact study of pilgrimage today. It is a travel novel, a photography book, and a textbook. It is conferences and talks, exhibitions and documentaries. It is curated resources for planning, packing, training, and booking. A social platform to communicate with other pilgrims before and after the journey. An interactive map of global routes, a timeline of historical and modern events that shape paths, an online film festival, a photo gallery and print store for photographers and artists, annual physical retreats for writers and historians. It collaborates with tourism agencies and product companies. It partners with world-leading institutions in history, economics, and adventure. This barely tickles the surface of the idea, and it will take a while. Still, with all your engagement and input over many walks, it will grow and evolve and be populated throughout my future academic years. So here's where we begin. Over the next few months, I'm walking the Via Francigena, Canterbury to Rome. Sign up below for a weekly newsletter, The Peregrine Press, with stories, updates, photographs, nibbles from academic texts, and more. I think I might be lost. Please take a moment to fill in the 2-minute survey on the website's main page. I have plans for the Camino Portuguese and Norte, St. Olaf's Way, the Cumano Codo, and the 88 Temple Walk. Pop in your email and follow the Pilgrim Project wherever suits you best.